I'm James, and you're listening to Conscious Cannabis, the channel that's so age-restricted it may never find another viewer. Our topic today is a fundamentally important one. When is the right time to harvest my buds? An age-old question, posed across many a forum, and to be honest, I got tired of answering them, so we thought we'd put together a quick resource to save our fingers from all that typing. First of all, we've got to give a huge shout out to Cannadog's Trichome guide here. Trichomes are what you're going to be using to figure out if it's time to harvest or not. www.cannadog.com. It does appear to be down these days, which is a damn shame, but a very OG member of the growing community who is always happy to put together some resources to help other folks out, and still one of my favourite guides to this day. Now, I know what you're thinking. If you have been linked here from Reddit, please just tell me, should I be harvesting now or not? Thing is, much like teaching a man to fish, I need you to understand the impact it's going to make. When it comes to growing plants, there is no objective correctness. You can't be right, you can't be wrong. You can kind of be wrong. But when you harvest, it's going to impact what your buds do, and therefore the only one who can tell when the correct time to harvest is you, and therefore the community can't just tell you if you're right and wrong, but instead we got to teach you how to make that decision for yourself. One final difficult truth: equipment. Most people are asking this question because they don't have the right equipment. Realistically, there's a lot of things in this hobby that you just don't need to buy. However, if you want to check your readiness to harvest based on your trichomes, you're going to need to buy a jeweler's lobe. 30 times magnification, realistically, is the minimum. Every so often, there's an iPhone camera out there that does it, but for better or worse, this is an investment you're going to want to make. Up first, nice and easy, a majority of clear trichomes. You're not done cooking yet. Your plants need more time to build up their potency, to do all the good stuff behind the scenes. Now, when it comes to cloudy or milky trichomes, everyone's going to give you a different percentage. Generally, averaging out upwards of 70% of all of the trichomes, or you take your sample and you figure it out. Being cloudy or milky is a great time to harvest. You have some cerebral, energetic effects, your THC content is maximized. This is your get up and go sativa, and a perfect time to pop your plant. With the amber trichomes, things start to get a little bit more interesting, with your THC dropping off fairly sharply sometimes depending on your genetics, and CBN being the product that it's been converted into. Generally, your effects here are going to be more sedating and calming. Some people are going to call that a diminishing of potency. I think it depends on your use case. Realistically, anywhere between those milky and amber trichomes is a good place to harvest. As I said before, everyone's going to give you different percentages of what you're going to be looking for. Your essential job is to find out what works best for you. Alright, that wraps us for the day. As always, thank you for giving us some of your time. May you be loved, may you be strong, may you feel like you belong.